Yo, what is up, YouTube? I told one of my new subscribers that I was gonna do a tutorial on Juicy by Notorious B.I.G. Now, here we go. It's pretty simple. It just plays the same thing over and over. It's on the top 3 strings, that's all you're gonna use. Open on the top string, 2, 4. Kind of hammer on, they call that. And then do the same thing on the A string below that, but pick this last note, hammer on and then pick it. Do it twice. And then the 2nd fret on the A string, hold it, and slide to the 1st fret. Start over, okay. And then open on the 2nd string, open on the top string, then the 2nd fret on the top string. Then on the D string, 3rd string down, 4th fret. Let's do that part again. Just like that. And then on the 2nd time, do that kinda twice, but instead of this last string here, it's up here on the 2nd fret. 2nd string. That's it. That's the whole song. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's all it takes to learn. It was all a dream. Used to read Word Up magazine. You got it. You got it. You got it. You can do this.